TNT Logging Show. It's a TNT Logging Show. Gotta get it, let's go. It's a TNT Logging Show. It's a TNT Logging Show. Gotta get it, let's go. It's the TNT Logging Show. It's the TNT Logging Show. Gotta get it, let's go. It's the TNT Logging Show. It's the TNT Logging Show. Gotta get it, let's go. 848 L2 on the pool. Got 4 Mack trucks, they all want wood. 726 E, love cutting gun. 643 says I want some. 234, they love low tree. Summertime polish so thick, make them sleep. 3% polish, Chevron, this McGree. Cost $1,000, but I need new teeth. This a pine thinning, but I love a clear cut. Cut it off the stump, some about an oak bud. Water still dripping out, that's number weight. Just notified, okay, gross 88. 50K will push a roll super straight. Brown sauce inside, swear it don't play. Can't forget the steel pole, so it's okay. Just trim the load up, I'm heading that way. It's the TNT Logging Show.
How many trucks got low?
It's the TNT Logging Show. It's the TNT Logging Show. Gotta get it, let's go.
Loaded till ain't no more left. Gotta put in work. Get tired, put in some more work.
Gotta get it, let's go. It's the TNT Logging Show. It's the TNT Logging Show. Gotta get it, let's go.
I just had to get this view. That's a pretty view right there. That's a pretty view right there. We heading back to the bar, but I had to stop and get this view. Yeah, we sitting down here waiting on the bars to come back. We sitting in this full right now, boys. So I tell you what, that water is a pretty sight to see. We waiting on the bar to get back. We heading back to the shore. Heading back to the shore. Mississippi River across there. There go my Mack there, he ready. Boy, that water cool, ain't it? Go that Mack right there. We waiting to get on across here. Boy, it sure feel good. Pretty sight to see. He operating that song, He operating that song, Heading back to the other side of the island. Head back to the other side of the island. Getting ready to line us up right now. Heading on up to here. See truck ready to come out. There go one of our trucks there. Get ready to head in. What you doing, little working man? You putting the tools back up? That's a fine mistake. Get mad.